How to find dog-friendly places in your area. Online research. Start by conducting online research. Search for local parks, beaches, trails, and outdoor recreational areas that allow dogs. Many cities have dedicated websites or apps that list dog-friendly places. Community forums and social media. Join local community forums or social media groups for pet owners. These platforms often have discussions or recommendations regarding dog-friendly establishments in your area. These apps provide maps, reviews, and ratings for parks, restaurants, cafes, and other establishments that welcome dogs. Visit pet stores and vet clinics. Local pet stores and veterinarian clinics often have information about nearby dog-friendly spots. They may have brochures, flyers, or staff recommendations that can guide you to suitable locations.